In this video, I'll show you how to remove a signature background for free. Straight to the point. If you have a scanned signature with a white or colored background and you only want the clean, transparent signature, here's what to do. I will show you two methods for doing it. Method 1. Open your browser and go to any free background remover website, like an online background remover tool or remove background tool. In this demonstration, I will use these two websites. Upload your signature image to the website. Wait for it to process the image. The tool will automatically remove the background and keep only the signature. Download the result as a PNG file with a transparent background. Alternatively, you can use Photoshop or the Photopea online tool to do that. Open Photoshop or Photopea and open your signature image. Make sure the signature is clearly visible on a white or light background. Go to the toolbar and click Select, then choose Color Range. Now, click on your signature. It will use the color picker tool. Set the fuzziness slider to 200. Click the Add Raster Mask icon. You should now see a checkerboard pattern, which means the background is transparent. When you're done, go to File, click Export, and save the file as a PNG to keep the transparent background. And that's it. That's how you quickly remove a signature background using Photoshop. If you want to use it in Word or PowerPoint, open your document or presentation, go to Insert, click Pictures, and insert the PNG signature you just downloaded. Resize and position it where you want, and you'll have a clean signature with no background. And that's it. That's how you quickly remove a signature background. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick, helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.